Hey guys, AJ here with another episode. And in this episode, we're going to talk about color literal. What the heck is color literal and why is it important? So for one, I'm a designer, so I personally love, colors. Don't get me wrong, iOS has some really nice preset colors. For instance, what I mean by that is if I come in here and I do a foreground color, and I do this and I click dot, they have some gray, clear, green, pink, primary, secondary. So primary, we click primary, which it means it's black, right? In white mode, but when it goes to dark mode in the app, it's gonna automatically turn white, right? And then, so secondary are gray colors. So again, they're gonna have a gray color for light mode and a gray color for, dark mode. So primary and secondary are a great way to kind of adapt to light and dark mode. Like they have other colors like green, which is cool. Their green's solid. I'm not really a big fan of their default gray. Their blue is great. But like you're probably not going to use a lot of iOS's preset colors, right? So what do? So this works. So this is going to work for foreground colors. This is going to work for background colors. This is going to work for text. This is going to work for what else could we use add colors for? I mean, that's mainly it, I think. So I'll show you an example. So in order to add a color literal, and what I mean by color literal is it allows you to customize a color. Okay, so you can go in here, you can do color, and then you add a parentheses, and you start typing color again. And you're going to see this hashtag color literal. So you're going to take the red, green, blue, like the hex colors, and it's kind of giving you that with this Y, right? So with this white. So when you double click this, you have a list of, preset colors. Again, these colors are great. No offense to Apple, right? But for me personally, I have hex code colors for my project that I want to use. So I'm going to go into other here. And this picker is elite. I mean, this picker is amazing. You can click this picker and literally come down to any element over here outside of SwiftUI and it's gonna pick it up, which is awesome, right? That's something that I love. So when I'm in Xcode, I can jump into another page and take that color right away. Another option is it gives you this like free range of just like finding colors you like, right? You also can come up here and add the actual hex color, okay? So this is huge for when you're customizing a client project, so to speak, or a young project. I'm going to embed this into a VStack, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and use the background modifier. Okay, same thing, color lit. Open this up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little darker, and we're going to come in here, we're going to get like this like dark purple. See if I can find something. Yeah, maybe around here. Yeah. And I'm just gonna add some frames around this. Frame width 300, height 300. And so you can see, if I don't like that, I can just easily come in here and pop that in there. Add an orange. I can double click and I can add cool green. Right? So yeah, that's pretty much color literal, guys. I mean, I would highly suggest playing around with it. This is a great tool for just really enhancing your design in SwiftUI. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm going to dive in. I'm going to keep making these quick, short videos so you can continue to learn SwiftUI and really start to get a hang of it. If you like them, please like it. If you subscribe, I love you so much. That's what keeps me going. And if you hate it, comment. If you love it, comment. I want to hear your voice. Come say hi to me on Twitter and Instagram. But until then, I will see you in the next video.